Welcome. Ever wondered about the future of computing, the kind that could solve problems we can only dream of tackling today? We're diving deep into the incredible world of quantum computing, a field that's not just science fiction anymore, but a rapidly evolving reality. Imagine a computer that doesn't just process information as a simple on or off, but can explore countless possibilities all at once. That's the essence of quantum computing. Instead of bits, which are like light switches that are either on or off, quantum computers use qubits. These qubits are like dimmer switches, capable of being on, off, or somewhere in between, and even existing in multiple states simultaneously. This mind-bending concept, called superposition, is where the magic begins. But it gets even more fascinating. Qubits can also be linked together in a phenomenon called entanglement. When qubits are entangled, they become interconnected in such a way that they share the same fate, no matter how far apart they are. Measuring the state of one entangled qubit instantly tells you the state of the other. This interconnectedness allows quantum computers to perform calculations in ways that are fundamentally different from anything we've seen before. So, what does this mean for us? The potential applications are truly staggering. For starters, think about drug discovery and materials science. Developing new medicines and revolutionary materials often involves simulating complex molecular interactions. Classical computers struggle with this, but quantum computers, with their ability to explore vast numbers of molecular configurations simultaneously, could accelerate these processes exponentially. Imagine personalized medicine tailored to your unique genetic makeup, or materials with properties we can't even conceive of today. Then there's the realm of artificial intelligence. Quantum computing could unlock new levels of AI capabilities, enabling machines to learn and solve problems with unprecedented speed and sophistication. This could lead to breakthroughs in areas like climate modeling, financial forecasting, and even understanding the universe itself. And what about cybersecurity? While quantum computers pose a potential threat to current encryption methods, they also offer the promise of developing new, quantum-resistant security protocols, ensuring our digital world remains safe in the future. It's a race between innovation and adaptation, and quantum computing is at the forefront. It's important to understand that quantum computing is still in its early stages. Building and maintaining these machines is incredibly complex, requiring extremely low temperatures and precise control. We're not going to have quantum laptops on our desks next year. However, the progress being made by researchers and companies around the globe is nothing short of remarkable. We're seeing advancements in qubit stability, error correction, and the development of quantum algorithms that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The journey into quantum computing is an exciting exploration of the fundamental laws of physics and their application to solving humanity's biggest challenges. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. As this technology matures, it has the potential to reshape industries, unlock scientific discoveries, and fundamentally change how we interact with the world around us. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of quantum computing. It's a field brimming with promise, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface of its potential. If you found this journey into the quantum realm as fascinating as we did, consider following along for more insights into the cutting edge of technology and science.